Oh, there's like... Oh, no, no. No, no. No. Okay. Test. Test. What am I doing? I don't know, I've never tested. Been tested, yay! So, test, yes, for new microphone. Tell me guys what you think. Knuckles jerk! No, no more of that. Yeah. Nothing more else to say, it's a new mic. What else is there else to say? Oh, it's a new mic, it's gonna work better. Hopefully, I don't know. It's all dependent on you. Let me just fix it a bit. There we go. Okay, done. I don't know. What should I do? Should I make noises that I usually make? Yeah! That good enough for you? Yeah, of course not. You picky picks. That's a word.